Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your domain registrar and Google Admin Console. Make sure you have DNS edit rights. Once done, open the Gmail or Workspace setup to retrieve the MX and verification TXT values. You'll also copy SBF and DKIM details now because you'll paste them into DNS shortly. Make sure to note TTL values and any existing mail records so you don't unintentionally remove working entries. This establishes the prerequisites while initiating the first DNS edits. You now insert the MX records into your DNS panel, matching priority and values exactly. This routes mail to Gmail. Next, add the TXT record for domain verification and include the SBF policy to reduce spoofing, save changes, and note propagation. Then publish the DKIM key using the selector Google gave you via CNAME or a TXT entry, because DKIM signs outgoing mail. Make sure to keep TTL low during setup so changes propagate faster, and wait for DNS confirmation. You finish by returning to the Google Admin Console to verify the domain. Click the Verify button once DNS shows the expected TXT. Once verified, enable Gmail and send test messages both directions. Inspect message headers to confirm SBF and DKIM pass. If mail doesn't flow or verification fails, recheck every DNS entry for typos, clear local DNS cache, and remember propagation can take 24 to 48 hours. As a troubleshooting tip, confirm you didn't leave conflicting MX records that divert mail elsewhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.